What's good, everybody? My name's Jordan McLean, and by the way, happy Thanksgiving. I just want to say happy holidays. So straight to the point. Uh, I'm camera shy. I'm camera shy. So that's probably why I haven't posted a lot of videos in the past on YouTube and things because I'm camera shy. So this is me breaking my comfort zone. So a little about myself. I'm an entrepreneur. I started a business called Cyclone Studios. I basically create independent video games, which will soon be distributed independently from publishers. So right now I'm working on a project behind me called Superstar McLean. It's a video game where I'm basically just making fun of myself. So it's gonna have a lot of humor, hopefully give you all some laughs and a lot of action. So he looks like he about to take out a whole squad right now. And on my right, oh, I got Facebook up because I was getting some feedback from customers. But I recently launched Stillwear, so you can find this at stillcyclonestudios.com. So this is essentially my online shop. I'm selling hats, clothes, merchandise, and really to inspire players and motivate people. And it's kind of a funny story. I was initially uploading designs to help uplift myself because I went through a period where I was going through some ups and downs, and so to help boost my mood and morale, I decided to create some clothing to just kind of boost my self-confidence. And I'll never forget, I was at work, and a lot of my coworkers were like, "Hey, where'd you get that at?" And I was like, "Yeah, I made this." And they're like, "Bro, you gotta hook me up with one." So then the business gets just kind of slowly built up from there as far as my online shop. Now the games that I haven't published anything yet, there's a lot that goes into game development, a lot of time. So just be patient with me, guys. The other thing I launched was also my shoe line. I started selling shoes through Rajon. Uh, there's many platforms out there that allow independent artists, entrepreneurs, creative people to upload their work and place it on shoes as their canvas. So this was a platform I utilized starting out. Initially, I was going to use Spread Shoes, but their program ended. However, they do have a white label service, so that's another company you can look into. And so I was uploading my shoes. I had some great feedback, mainly for like a gaming audience. I got different designs. A real popular one is called the Matrix Whiteout Edition with this raining white code, again inspired by the movie. And then another popular one customers really liked was the Steel Dragons. So this is version 1.0, and I actually ordered a pair a while back, a month ago. They came in the mail. Now, forewarning, these shoes take about 3 to 4 weeks as far as shipping because they're manufactured in China. Each pair they take their time and patience on. So they try to produce them at the best quality possible. So I'll go ahead and show you what those look like. So I was so hyped when these came in the mail. So go ahead. Ooh-wee. I was like, oh my goodness. Oh man. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Steel Dragons version 1.0. There's the other shoes, got the tag on it. So I wanted to expand my business some. As an artist, there's all these platforms and things I wanted to branch out on and different avenues I wanted to touch. And shoes was just something that was just speaking to me. I remember going through my drawings and old notebooks as a kid. I used to love drawing shoes, and I was like, man, I wonder if I could make my own pair. So, and then one day it hit me. I came across another platform, and at first I was hesitant because I was afraid they wouldn't accept my application. I had a lot of doubts, and that's the thing about being an entrepreneur. You're gonna have fears and doubts. And you just got to take that leap of faith and take that first step, and that's all it takes. So then I decided to submit my application to a company called Alive Shoes. They're based in Italy. They're known for their leather material. Very nice shoes, expensive, not gonna lie. So I wanted to create a shoe that stood out from my traditional designer shoes, where I can upload photos and artwork to them and have them placed on the shoe. I wanted to create something that was somewhat luxury based, a tennis shoe that sent a valuable message while promoting personal development. So basically a luxury shoe that just really, you know, made you think, wow, like a pair that just stood out. So my first design was this shoe. I named it 5P's. So the shoe is called 5P's. It stands for proper preparation prevents poor performance. And they came in the mail 3 days ago. funny story. We got the shoes, and my office here signed for them, but they closed that weekend. So I had to wait 2 more days to get these shoes. So I'm booking it to the office. I'm just like, no, my shoe, no. So I had to wait 2 days to get these shoes. So I'm like so nervous right now. My apologies if I'm stuttering. It's my normally if I'm on camera, I think I'm in trouble. Like I must have done something wrong. All right, so I'm gonna open these for you guys. So this is my little unboxing video. Oh man, I hope I don't tear these. They packaged this so well. Wow. Now heads up, I've had a few customers who ordered a pair through my ad. These shoes, they are patent leather. So patent leather is like, it has this glossy kind of shiny look to it. So I had a lot of positive feedback, some mixed feedback. So just to let you guys know, I take your all's feedback very serious. So the ladies really love that glossy look. So I had a lot of feedback from the fellas. They're saying, hey, we love the shoe. How about you make one in different types of leathers, or make a material editor where people can select their own leather. So unfortunately, I don't know if I'll be able to implement that. However, I can launch another shoe, another version of this shoe that is a standard leather. So that way people can choose and see the difference. So these are the patent leather. The shoes that I will launch again will be the same version, but they'll be in standard leather. So let's check out the patent leather. Oh my gosh. Wow. And if you look closely, that is my logo. This is officially my brand, y'all. 5P's. I own this. You can't find this in Foot Locker or the mall. This is officially my brand. They're made in Italy. You can't find this anywhere else. Wow, that is, wow. See that? Wow, that's beautiful. Oh man, I feel like it's Christmas already. Oh my gosh, I feel like a little kid. This is wild. Oh man. Oh my gosh. So the thing about these shoes, everything is custom made, even the shoebox. And I'll turn it around for you. As you can see here, 5P's. That's my name by Jordan McLean. You can't find this anywhere else, folks. Oh my gosh. Just to have this in my hands. If I tear up, don't laugh, y'all. Oh my gosh. This is wild. Oh man. They put a lot of work into this, you guys. So, special shout out to Alive Shoes. Thank you guys for this opportunity. Oh man, this is incredible. I plan on submitting some future shoes, but yeah, this is my first pair, so bear with me, guys. Ooh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be scared to take these outside. Ooh-wee. Oh my gosh. I can see my face in these. Oh my gosh. So that's the logo. Again, this is patent leather. So I wanted to give this bottom like a chrome finish sort of look. Oh man, this is, wow, these turned out amazing. And check this out, y'all. Let's see. On the inside, on the lip of the shoe, it's kind of hard to see. It says proper preparation prevents poor performance. So this shoe is great for what either in that event. I'm definitely, if I ever go to a party again, I'm definitely gonna wear these. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, wow. Those are sharp. Oh man. I'm gonna be scared to wear these outside, y'all. I'm gonna have to have somebody with me to wipe them every 5 minutes, every time I take a step. Like, look, wipe. That is wild. Oh my gosh. Wow, they put a lot of work into these. Woo. Wow. That's hot. That's hot. Oh man. But yeah, special shout out to all of my coworkers, man. Cause true story, like I was at a point where I had thoughts about quitting, and then all it took was just a couple friends of mine at work, Miguel, Nate. You guys are amazing. It just gave me that little bit of positivity that just motivated me, and then it sometimes that's all it takes. And you know, don't fear failure. I just look at it as just an opportunity, just to start again. I know you've probably heard that quote a million times, but yeah, it was, wow, this is incredible. I never thought I would make anything like this, and to have it in my hands, it just motivates me that much more. So again, I take y'all's feedback very serious, and fellas, I'm working on a standard leather pair. So, cause I know some of y'all probably not into that glossy look, but you know, if you got that special lady in your life, you know, she'll definitely appreciate these. But yeah, y'all. There's a lot that I'm working on. Oh, and one more thing. I'll show you what my shirt and hats look like. Here's one shirt. It's called Starve Your Distractions, Feed Your Focus. Yeah. And of course, I'm wearing a black one right now. I'm rocking it right now. I got more designs in the works, y'all. Man, this is such an exciting point in my life right now. There's a lot of things I'm working on. But from the bottom of my heart, everybody, thank you. I'm stuttering right now. I'm a little nervous, camera shy again. Just again, thank you all so much. All my family and friends for the love and support. Peace. I appreciate it, y'all.